Main operation commencing in Bay 4. Ensure the area is clear.
Welcome to one of the most fascinating processes in modern engineering. Today we're going to take you inside the world of airplane assembly. From the first pieces of raw material to the final test flights, every detail matters. Watch as skilled workers and cutting-edge technology come together to bring these incredible machines to life, step by step.
This section appears completely secure.
Data matches visual confirmation. We can sign off.
Check the alignment on the leading edge. Looks solid. Proceed with riveting.
Hold it right there, slowly lower.
Clearance looks good.
Push it in, align the bolts.
Confirmed, stable.
Bring it down another 2 centimeters. Watch the port side. Clear on starboard. Okay, easy now. Lock it down.
Aligning the ECU now.
Verify the connection on the tablet.
Looks good from here, lock it down.
Clear the area below. We are moving to position Charlie.
Confirmed, moving to position Charlie. All clear on my side.
We need 75 kilonewtons on this joint.
Setting the wrench now. Confirmed.
All right, panel 72 requires adjustment. Log that for the next station.
Coming down slowly. How's the alignment on the starboard side?
Looks good, just a few more inches to go.
Slow rotation, descent by 5 centimeters. Check the laser alignment.
Alignment is confirmed. Proceed with locking sequence.
A little lower on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting now. Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment on the right side.
Copy that. Coming down.
Everything looks secure on the dish mounts.
Confirmed. The wiring harnesses are all seated correctly.
All right, let's close her up. The sealant looks good here. No defects found on this section.
Noted. Let's move on to the next segment.
Everything looks secure on the dish mounts.
Confirmed. The wiring harnesses are all seated correctly.
All right, let's close her up.
Pressure systems holding steady.
Affirmative. Canopy secure.
Green light confirmed. We are go for launch. Easy now. Bring her left a few inches. Steady, steady. And stop.
After months of meticulous craftsmanship, the airplane is ready for its first test flight. Every component, from the engines to the wings, has been expertly checked, and now it's set to soar from the factory floor to the skies. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of manufacturing.
Ground checks complete. All systems are green. We are clear.
Roger that. Cleared for takeoff. Runway 27 right.
After months of precise assembly, the culmination of dedicated work takes flight.